students, in this lesson we're going to identify the numbers for the slope and the y-intercept when given a formula. Look at the top of the page. We have the y-intercept formula. Y equals mx plus b. The m is the symbol for the number for the slope, which is times x. And b is equal to the number for the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. Look at the first formula. Y equals negative 3 over 2 times x plus 1. What number is there for the slope? It's negative 3 over 2. That's the number we'll use for our rise over run. What number is represented for b, the y-intercept? The number 1. Look at the formula below. Y equals 5 minus 2x. Is this formula written in the same form as the original y-intercept formula? Y equals mx plus b? It is, because this time, even though the numbers are turned around, we still have the same numbers that we need to determine the slope and the y-intercept. In this case, the b is the first number, 5. And what number is represented in front of the x? It would be negative 2. Now, if we use the rise over run formula, we need a fraction with the rise of negative 2 and negative 2 in the form of a fraction is negative 2 over 1. So it doesn't matter which way the formula is written, we still use the same symbols to represent the slope, which would be m, and b, which is the y-intercept.